Now we have a mega leak with renders. The Poco F9 Pro is a rebranded Redmi K100 Pro and the Poco F9 Ultra is a rebranded Redmi K100 Pro Max. Devices have Bose speakers, and the Ultra even gets an LED ring for notifications. The Poco F9 Ultra are tipped to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, up to 16GB RAM. The Poco F9 Ultra has a 6.9-inch 1200 by 2608 AMOLED touchscreen with a 185Hz refresh rate and 4500 nit peak brightness. A 200MP main camera, a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide, 32MP selfie cameras. The F9 Pro has a 6330 mAh battery and the F9 Ultra has an 8050 mAh battery. Both will charge at 100W. The Poco F9 Ultra will apparently go for at least €999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.